Guru Nation, how's it going? Thank you so much once again, everybody, for the likes, for the subscribes, for the comments, for the shares, just for the views. If you've ever seen any of my videos ever, thank you so much. It is because of you that this is possible. It's because of you that I keep this going. I got asked a question today by text. Somebody texted me. Anybody can do that. It's 949-415-6256. So this person said, hey, Dan, thank you. Happy Thanksgiving. I'm a foreign medical graduate. I'm one of your followers. Thank you very much. I've watched your 5-hour crash course. Highly appreciated. You advised me to get a volunteer position somewhere as a way of getting into the industry. Absolutely. I just got a traveling CRC job starting soon. As someone who has never worked in clinical research, how can I survive without experience? Will there be any form of training for me before I start working? What advice would you give someone in my position? Well, I'm hoping, anonymous, that whoever hired you is aware that you don't have research experience. They're aware that you're a very smart person because you're for international medical graduate. They're aware that you have clinical knowledge, medical knowledge, which is something that's a lot harder to teach, okay, than clinical research. They should give you some kind of onboarding. Now that is, I know for a lot of sites, asking a lot. Generally, sites will have you do GCP, IATA. If you're doing lab work, they'll make you look at their SOPs, train internally on that. It's not going to be very practical. Hopefully, and a traveling CRC. So this tells me it's a little bit of decentralized trial. So you're doing a lot of the visits in the patient's homes. I'm assuming you're going to be working directly with the nursing staff. Don't assume that they're going to teach you anything because things are very hectic right now in research. I've never actually experienced traveling CRC. So first of all, I'd like to know what that means. Let's go with two scenarios. It could mean, like I just said, as part of a decentralized trial company, you're going to different patients' homes in your community and you're doing the studies in the patient's homes as a coordinator would do in their office, in their site. Well, okay, so that's fine. You just got to follow the protocol. It's going to be a little more hectic because you're not in one place. You're always going somewhere else. You might have source documents, e-source. You might be required to create the source, e-source or paper source. I'm assuming it's going to be e-source if it's a decentralized trial. Now, if it's a traveling coordinator amongst many sites across the country or in a specific region, then you're just going to various sites. It should be a little easier. Both sound extremely hectic. Both sound like, in the context of where we are right now in clinical research, you're going to be busy. You're going to learn. It's going to be baptism by fire for you, no matter what happens, whether the company gives you training or not. My advice to you, learn the protocol. The protocol is your life right now. That protocol is your life. That protocol is what's going to keep your patient safe. That protocol is going to be what keeps you with your job. And that protocol and learning through the struggle is going to be what can advance your career going forward. So congratulations. That's my advice to you. Focus on the protocol. Hopefully they're only giving you one protocol. If they're giving you a bunch of protocols, I hope they're very easy trials. So that's my advice to you. Learn the protocol. Congratulations. Don't worry about anything else. Keep it going, Guru Nation. Bye-bye.